Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to wait in lobby in Microsoft Teams. So first thing is just simply go to your Microsoft Teams, and now you can just simply join one of your meeting links over here. So just simply join, or you could just simply create a meeting link over here and just simply provide all of the necessary information to create one. In my case, I will join this meeting and just simply select join now down below over here. And now you could just simply select the three dots over here, which is more. It is more action, and just simply go for the settings and then go for the meeting options. Now a sidebar will show up over here, and you will have here who can bypass the lobby. So from here, you could just simply select this one. And from here, you could just simply go for only me. And after that, just simply click on save. So guys, from here, I have another account and I'm gonna join into the meeting I made earlier and select join meeting and select join now. And after that, as you can see, the account, or when someone join your meeting, they will be waiting in the lobby and you will have the information to admit it, to let them join. There you go. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like, and if you have any question, comment down below. Thanks for watching. See ya.